Phoenix, you're the king of the castle. You're right over in North America. Careful, it's slippery up there. Whoa! Hang on. No. Who's that, Mom and Dad? Is that Aunt Betty or Uncle Fred? Let's try this again. You're on top of the world! You're on top of the world! I know it gets icy up there in Canada, doesn't it? Don't slide. Uh-oh. You're funny. Trying to teach this bird how to talk. He's 6 months old. Come on. There you go. Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Okay. Going out here. Yeah. I'm gonna hang you up in the bathroom. You got a big mirror there. If you're narcissistic, you can stare at yourself all day.